A tease of Dakota Access Pipeline oil. The public banking movement is especially attuned to the abuses of big private banks, and public banking advocates have joined others in attempting to pressure the large banks involved in financing the Dakota Access Pipeline to withdraw their financing from the project. The North Dakota spill came after months of protests in the state against the Dakota Access Pipeline by Native American and environmental groups that worry a pipeline leak could contaminate water. It is unacceptable that the facts of the permitting process were not only omitted in much of the discussion among those who disagreed with the pipeline, but were twisted in order to paint North Dakota and the federal government as reckless and racist. Bergen said the pipeline is good for the North Dakota economy and is the safest method to move oil. The tribe fears the construction and possible oil leaks will destroy its sacred sites and pollute its land and water. Ultimately, the Supreme Court sided with the government in 1980, but granted the tribe compensation. The tribe considers the pipeline yet another injustice in a long line trailing back hundreds of years. He said that would render further legal issues moot based upon previous court rulings, other relevant case law and provisions of the Iowa Code and state constitution that were satisfied during the permitting process. Likewise, Bill Hannigan, a Des Moines attorney representing landowners in 6 counties, said Dakota Access should not have been allowed to force them to sell easements by condemning the land against their will in a way that runs contrary to a 2006 Iowa law and recent court rulings in other states. Thanks for viewing this tease. Sign up for the Tip Top Tech channel or search for a Tease Second Mind on YouTube to find and then enjoy other teas.